Hi, my name is Abdurrahman, and in this little video I'm going to show you how you can set up your computer, your mobile device to write code. So we are going to install an app called Replit, and this is the app right here, this one, the one that says Replit. So if you don't have it on your device, go to Play Store or Apple Store and install it and just open it like this. And this should be the first thing you see. And that's if you have already created an account. You need to sign up or log into this app. So the first thing to do is to come here to this section where it says create. And then you'll see a blank Replit here. If you want to use that, that's fine. But I would recommend you use this HTML, CSS, JS, because we are going to start with HTML and CSS, at least for now. And then let's click on this one. And then you can see this section right here where it says create. Okay, now click on that. And the next thing you'll see is your fresh installation of Replit HTML template. And then from there, you can see a bunch of HTML code. Let's run that in a browser and see what it looks like. Okay, this is what it currently looks like. So we are going to delete everything because we are going to start from scratch from the beginning, right? So now let's clear everything out. Okay, and then let's open a tag, and then we are going to use this exclamation mark, say doc type, and then type HTML, and then we are going to close this one, and then we are going to, and check this out. If you want to create an HTML tag, you don't have to come here, open, close tab, and something like that. Just type HTML, and you'll see a suggestion here that says HTML tag. Then if you click on this one, it should create the tag and open it for you. So I think that's a very big time saver when it comes to writing code. And we are going to use that a lot in the desktop version too. So don't worry, you're not cheating, it's part of the job. All right, so now let's create a head. Just type head, and then you have it head already. Then you can come to here, I would say body, and then you have it here. Click on body, and then you can have maybe H1, and you see you have a suggestion. Type it, and then let's say hello friends. Hello friends. Okay, now let's run this in a browser and see what it looks like. Now it says hello friends. Now you've successfully installed Replit and tested. In the next videos, we are going to start working with HTML.